Assalamualaikum and hi. So today we are group SCL for group 4 to discuss about question 7 and 10. Before we start our discussion, we have to introduce ourselves first. So my name is KHAIRUL IMRAN UDIN, and my metric number is 207435. Next.
My name is IZZATI binti Abdul. My metric number is 205865.
My name is RUPIKA. My matrix number is 205892.
Okay, hello, my name is... Okay.
Okay, my name is CHONG and my metric number is 207341.
Okay, my name is HUDA MOHAMAD NASHIR. My metric number 205461.
So everyone is present today. So now we are going to start our discussion. Now, first,
KHAIRUL, you mute yourself.
oh sorry. Okay, now we are going to discuss the first question. It is question number 7. So we are going to start now. Okay. For question 7, that we have to find the tangent line at the largest slope. Here is the function they given to us, right? So we need first, when we want to find the slope, we have to remember that we have to different first derivative. That's the first derivative, right? Want to find the slope.
KHAIRUL, your voice macam tidak clear.
Yeah, not clear.
Got a lot of air.
Okay. Now better?
Yeah.
Okay. So where I just now? The first derivative test, right? Okay, so for the first derivative, when we doing the first derivative, we are going, so the equation we got now is to find the slope. The first derivative is to find the slope. So what we want is the largest slope, right? So we must find the maximum point.
Okay.
Okay. So if we want to find the maximum point, we have to do the second derivative test. Okay, when we do that, we must equal to 0, so we can find the
Critical
x.
point. The X.
Critical.
So that we check the interval, which one is the maximum. Okay. When we check, we get that -2 and 2 is absolute maximum because it was from positive to 0 negative here. I don't write it there. And 2 is also negative to 0 negative. Can you understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
Uh,
After we find the critical point,
okay. After we find the critical point, we know that 2 and -2 now is the maximum, right?
Mm.
We
Yes.
substitute it in the first derivative we do just now to find the slope. What slope? Okay,
Oh,
so now we get 240 is the biggest slope.
Okay.
And also if we check
240,
negative,
240 or wait. Oh, okay. Next. Yeah, continue.
then when we check -2 and 2, we also get 240 slope. Okay, so we the same, so we got 2 critical point, that's maximum. So the question that won the point, right? So
Yes.
Yeah.
we take the critical point -2 and 2, we substitute it in the first equation that's given, because we want to find the y point. Y.
Yeah.
We
After that, we'll get the points, is it?
the point. So after that,
Yeah.
we got y. So the answer is we just do it in the point shape.
Coordinate form.
Uh,
Something like coordinate form.
uh,
-2 and -223. And 2 and 225. Is it?
that's the answer we got.
Yes.
So
Okay.
for this question, we must remember how to find the slope, how to find the maximum and minimum, and also test how to find the point. That's the important thing we must know to complete this question.
Okay.
Okay.
So Khairul, if they ask like the largest slope,
Okay.
we have to use the maximum point, is it?
Yes.
And the smallest slope, we have to use the minimum point lah.
Yes.
Let's say the question is smallest slope. Okay. Thank you. I understand now.
So okay. So everyone is understand, right, for this question? We will move to second question,
Okay.
that question number 10. I will pass to Easy, Chong, Easy. Okay, thank you.
Can you see? Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so the question for number 10, the question wants at which point of the shore should person land to minimize the total travel time. So this one, B is the boat, S is the shore, P is the point P, and R is the restaurant. So this one is the distance between B boat and point P. This one I write it as Z, the distance. So the distance is X, because the total distance from the shore to restaurant is 5 miles, and then for boat to shore is 3 miles. So I want to find the Z. I just use the trigonometric function, 3 squared plus x squared and the square root, because so I can find the Z. So for time is the distance over rate. Yeah. So the time total is from the boat to point P and to point R. So for point P to point B to point P, the distance is 5 minus. No. From the distance from P to R, the distance is 5 minus x, and the rate is 4. And for the point P to point P, the distance is 9 plus x square root of the 3. So I do. So just I just make
Equation.
the 5 minus x, into this one, and then I differentiate. Because we need to find the minimum time, so I equal the t prime equals to 0. So I can get the critical point, which is x equals to plus minus 9 third 7 over 7. Can you guys understand?
Yeah, understand.
Okay. So
Yes.
from here, I get the domain, the interval, and I do the table for the f prime. This one should be t prime, and then I got relative minimum at 9 7 over 7, and then I substitute into the equation, the original equation, which is this one. I get the time 1.91 hours. So the minimum times needed is 1.91 hours. So the question was the point P, right? So just count this, x equals to 9 third 7 equals to 7. I just use calculator and calculate 3 point. So the answer is 3.4 miles from the shore. That's all. Can you guys understand?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah, okay.
That's all.
So, okay. Okay. Oh,
So now, I want to add for question 7. We also can do same like Chong do just now. We do in the table. We also can find the maximum and minimum from that too.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So now we'll continue with our reflection. So we're going to start first.
I think I can start.
Yes.
Okay, so even though we were in pandemic, we cannot meet and like complete this project. Actually, usually we have to like meet and like discuss and do. But this one was it was hard for us to do face to face. It was all online, but we still managed to use WhatsApp and Zoom to communicate with each other and share our answers and to learn. Even if we don't know, we ask each other and in a team, and we complete the project and SEL, and I'm happy with that. That's what I learned. Even though we have out of obstacle, there's always a solution for each and every obstacle. So yeah, this is one of it. Yeah. Anybody else?
Now, next one to share your reflection. Wanna? Everyone need to stay.
So I will go next. So I think cooperation and also teamwork is the most important thing in this project, because with teamwork we can overcome many obstacles and also solve the questions.
Okay. I go first. Right? Okay. Okay. For me, this project is very useful because we can discuss with each other. We can discuss in WhatsApp or Zoom also. Even if too hard to discuss, but we got to do it together, and the most important is a teamwork. I cannot say that teamwork is important in every project we do. So that's all. Okay.
I learned that we can use optimization to solve some problem in real life, like in question 10, we can make our schedule more perfect, discipline, like that.
Oh, understand.
Okay, for me, from this project, I can, apa ni? I can, what you call, I can more understand about this chapter. And this chapter, we can use in our daily life. Okay. Um, Especially, okay. For example, question 7. Question 7, we need to find maximum, maximum, minimum. We can use it in our daily life, maybe. Okay. And then in this project, we need to discuss online. So I know it's hard, but we can do it. Okay, that's all. Thank
Okay. Thank you for everyone because give a best work. So now we are going to end the discussion. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you. Bye.
Bye.